The Cool Parts Show is coming back with some special coverage related to COVID-19.
As you can see, we are working on figuring out how to do social distancing version of our filming of the show.
Coming soon, we're going to be filming some check-ins with some companies that you've seen in previous episodes of The Cool Parts Show.
And then, maybe the biggest production win for additive manufacturing so far is coming out of this crisis, and we're going to tell you that story.
And we're going to show you the parts, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of this upcoming coverage.
Stay tuned. So, Stephanie, high five on 3. 1, 2, 3.